Question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Find sin A and sec A. sin A और sec A निकालना है. तो you know the cross multiplication. Digit goes to digit side. 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 transpose that side. You will get cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. This is 8 upon 15 and this is what? Base upon perpendicular. Now make a figure in which right angle triangle, make a figure, take B is 90 degrees, so it is hypotenuse. This is A and this is C. Here I will take angle A is given to you. Okay. Now you will take base is equal to, base कितना है 8, तो you can take ratio दिया हुआ है, तो you will take base is 8k, perpendicular is 15k. So what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular opposite to angle A. This is perpendicular and it is given to 15k. This is base and it is given to 8k. Now we will calculate hypotenuse. So it is a right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. Now H square is equal to perpendicular का square 15k का square plus 8k का square. H square is equal to 15k का square, 15 का 225 into k square plus 64k square. So if you add it, you will get 9, 8, 289k square. Now I think all of you know that 289 is the square root of 17. So h is equal to 17k. K का k square का square root k. Now h is 17k. Now we have to find sin A. h आ गया अपने पास कितना 17k. What is sin A? P upon h होता है. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is here, angle A के सामने वाला BC upon AC is the hypotenuse. So what is BC? 15k and AC just now we calculated 17k. K will cut, 15 upon 17 is the answer. Now this we calculate sec A. Sec A, all of you know, it is hypotenuse upon base. Reciprocal of cos A is sec A. What is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse upon what is base? AB is the base. AB is the base. So AC is 17k upon 17k upon AB is 8k. This will cancel out. 17 upon 8 is the answer. Now I will take another question. You can see on the board. Question 5. Same of this type. It is given to you. Sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Here theta is given to you, angle, and calculate all trigonometric ratios. All trigonometric कितने होते हैं? 6 होते हैं. One is this, rest sin, cos, tan, cot, cosec. We have to calculate it. Now make a figure to. It is easy for us. This is a right angle triangle ABC. So you can take any angle is theta. Suppose I can take C angle is theta. See in the figure, angle C is theta. So theta के सामने क्या हो जाएगा? Perpendicular. Right angle के सामने hypotenuse and remaining is base. We all know sec theta क्या होता है? 13 upon 12 is given, but it is hypotenuse upon base. So you can take h is equal to 13k, base is equal to 12k. ठीक है, बेस आ गया आपके पास, h आ गया, you will calculate perpendicular. So you can use hypotenuse theorem because it is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle you can use hypotenuse theorem. H square is equal to p square plus b square. H is 13 का square, p you don't know, and p is ab का square plus base is 12k का square. It is 169k square. 12 का होता है 144, so minus 144k square is equal to ab square. So ab square is equal to कितना आ गया 25k square. So ab is equal to 5k. ab is equal to 5k. So this is 5k, means perpendicular is 5k. Now you can calculate others 5 ratios. See here, number 1 I will calculate sin theta. Here theta is this, so we don't take any side, we take p upon h. So p is what, 5k upon h is 13k. This will cancel out, you will get 5 upon 13. Now second I will take cos theta. Cos theta, you know, base upon hypotenuse. What is base? 12k upon 13k. This will cancel out 12 upon 13. Now I will take third tan theta. Tan theta is p upon b. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 5k upon base is 12k. k cancel 5 upon 12. Now fourth I will take cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so it is 13 upon 5. Sec is already given to you, reciprocal of cos. Now fifth is tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. It is base upon perpendicular, so it is 12 upon 5.